everybody, John here from S'more Camping with the Schraggs. It is February 5th, just about 4 o'clock, and we're going camping. We're going to head out to West Branch Lake and meet up with Mike and Debbie Keefer. They just bought a new Jayco at the end of 2020, or towards the end of 2020, and we haven't seen it yet. So we're going to go out. We got the White Hawk all ready to go, de-winterized, and let's just cross our fingers that no pipes freeze, because it's going down to the teens this weekend. If you're new here, please think about subscribing and hit that like and ring the little bell. That way you get notifications whenever we have a new video out. All right, let's get this journey started. I have made it, and I don't know if you can hear, but I have a guest with me. Pepper. Pepper. Might be able to see her back there. Pepper. Oh. Yeah, my son is going to be leaving for boot camp here the first week of April, and we will no longer have anyone to watch Pepper on our trips. Anyways, let me get set up here at West Branch, and I'll get right back with you. All set up here at West Branch. We are in Site 10. Not too bad. This would be nice in the summer. The little muddy. The lake is still partially frozen. Got a little trail here you can walk down to. But yeah, this isn't a bad site. I was level left and right. Just had to level it front to back. There is Debbie and Mike Keefer with their new Jayco.
What up, Schraggs?
Ow! Here we are at Keeping Up with the Keefers.
Just tell them we don't have anything
They're
put away yet.
brand new 2021 or 2020?
2020, but
2020 J Feather. This is the 25 RB. Pretty darn nice. I have not seen it. Oh, look at this. Pretty nice. I literally came down. They're not even set up yet. What do we got here? Ooh, nice pantry. Check that out. A big entertainment center. Nice. See, I wish we would have had the booth.
okay.
You guys will have to come over and see what we did.
Here.
Yeah. Oh, really?
I got it for us.
We got chairs we're going to be putting up here.
Oh, nice bathroom, guys.
Remember we had plugged it in?
Can I check out the
Love Shack.
Love Shack?
Yeah,
Pocket door here
bed.
too. Wow, that's a huge opening. I like how
We
big
love
that
it.
is.
It's just, it's.
Let me see.
That's a door.
Oh, yeah.
All right, you guys, we are here. First camping trip of 2021. First camping trip. And we have already made new friends. Everybody meet EnRoute with Chuck and Cherie.
Hey guys.
Hey, nice to meet you.
They are a brand new channel. 53 subscribers. So we want you guys, this is a challenge, go over to their channel, show them some love, and watch their adventures.
Yeah, they are tent campers, but
Yes, we are.
we are trying to get them to upgrade. And Chuck actually has one picked out. Yeah, watch his video on, what's the name of that camper?
It's an Intech Pursue.
Yeah, Intech Pursuit.
Intech Flyer Pursue.
Those wheels on there are pretty knobby.
They are.
As soon as I saw them, I'm like, oh, we could go off-roading with that
edition,
thing.
Absolutely, yep. Boondocking.
sun coming off the ice. Wow. That is amazing. So we're reviewing this little expert grill from Walmart. $15. And it got my chimney in there, heating up the charcoal. And has two little vents. One here and one on the other side. It says it takes 30 minutes to put together, but I literally put it together in 11. So I don't know what kind of skills you must have to take 30 minutes to put that thing together, but it only took like 11 minutes. And that is there is a grill grate below, and then that's the one you cook on. It's only 14 inches in diameter, but we're just doing 2 steaks. So I'll let you know how the grill worked after the steaks. Uh-oh. She sees kids. She doesn't like small humans. They freak her out. Go back in there, Mommy. Good girl. section at West Branch. We were, I think in July, just to the right of that dumpster, site 146. That was actually, it's a really bad slope, but we enjoyed that site, real pretty. And this was nothing but dirt. They had in the water and the electric, but no concrete, no asphalt. And this is the new section here, full hookups. So I think looks like site 133 to, this is probably the last one in the loop, 145. These are really nice. They did a good job. Very level.
Good morning.
It's cold.
It's a little bit chilly this morning, but
Very. But it's beautiful. Look at that. Anyways, we're just about packed up here at West Branch and ready to go home after our first trip of 2021. We had a great time.
had a good
West
time.
Branch is close to home, so it's always a fun place to come to. We've met new people. EnRoute with Cherie and Chuck.
Chuck and Cherie.
Chuck and Cherie. And then last night, just walking through the park, a guy pulled over, and Mark Latham and his wife, I don't think we got her name, did we?
I don't think we did either.
Anyways, very nice people. They have an A-liner, and they were just cruising through the campground, checking out spots. So it was nice meeting them also.
Yep.
We
a
had
great
fun,
time.
played games with the Keefers, went hiking, not really hiking,
Walking.
went for a walk. Went to the local meat store down the road. If you're here, go to Edinburgh. What's the name of that place? Edinburgh
Edinburgh Corner Store.
Corner Store. They got some great meat.
And they
Lots
actually have
of
a
meat.
Facebook page too. I follow them
Oh, do
on
they?
Facebook. Mm-hmm.
Family-owned little butcher.
Yep.
So I would say first trip out, everything went well. Pepper did well. We're going to heat the truck up and bring her out while we're hooking up. And head home and wait for the next adventure.
Yep. Hey, you want to get out of here?
Yeah, let's go.
All right. Till we talk to you guys again, remember the only thing better than a campfire are the memories you make around it. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.
See ya.